To add the file upload button to your Shopify product page, follow these steps. Install the file upload app. Shopify doesn't have a built-in file upload feature, so you will need to use an app. Search for file upload apps in the Shopify App Store, such as File Uploads by UploadKit or Uploadery. Install your preferred app by following the app's installation instructions. Configure the app. Once installed, configure the app according to your needs. This usually involves choosing where to place the file upload button and specifying the file types that can be uploaded. You can also set maximum file size and whether multiple files can be uploaded. Add the file upload to the product page. The app should automatically add the file upload button to your product pages once configured. You can customize the look and feel of the button within the app settings. Test the button. After configuring the app, visit your product page and check if the file upload button appears. Test the functionality by uploading a file to ensure it works properly. Manage uploaded files. Files uploaded by customers will typically appear in your Shopify admin under Orders or in the app's dashboard for easy management.